Dover is known for its castle, and Dover Castle is known for its secret tunnels beneath the cliffs. Yet, most of these tunnels aren't really secretive anymore, not even off toward Dumpy, as you can pay to get in, and the public are told about it. What they don't tell you about is at the bottom of the cliff is the Esplanade level, consisting of 3 cave systems, Trevanian, Chapel, and Dattel Terrace caves, that are connected by one big World War II tunnel named Guildford Tunnel. These make up the Esplanade level, and today I'm going to be showing you the Trevanian side.
Hi. Yo, Alyssa.
Yes.
How do you feel about getting in?
I'm so freaking happy, man.
No one's going to see this video for 10 years because I'm putting it on unlisted. Huh? Does this remind you of something, Alyssa? DOA. The first time I saw, I didn't know about the DOE for years, so the first time I saw a picture I thought it was this place.
Right.
Because I somehow went here before I went DOE.
Someone with a different voice, please give me something.
I mean, mine's dying because it fell off a building. Oh, hello, light switch. Time to spend 30 minutes analysing this so I can get...
Too much.
This is giving me flashbacks.
Right, I'm going to wander off.
There you are. How do you feel about Esplanade? Oh, right.
You can't get it. Is it big circle, yeah? It's like a big square.
It's like a deep shelter without the lit tin.
Right. Just remember, when you get near to the bit where you would be coming out of the leisure centre. Right.
There's security there now, isn't there?
Yeah. Right. I'm on a fucking world. I also hang around with boss. Where are you going that way? I don't know. I'm in the hall.
The original use for these tunnels is sort of unknown. Some people say it was used to store coal for nearby gasworks, while others say it was a charging station for batteries that powered miners' lamps. Despite the original 1800s uses for the tunnel, the place was reopened in both World Wars, and they could store 650 people while being used as an air raid shelter, yet unfortunately, a 55-year-old once died in here of pneumonia. Also, the tunnels had another use. The place was a medical dressing centre in World War II. Now, in this video you can see there's loads of graffiti on the walls, and while we're unsure of where this came from, I believe this is from the people who stayed in the shelter. It can be seen all over, including this one of a face, although the silver paint is believed to be a vandal. The actual carving, however, is original. There are really random patches of brickwork and poles and architecture around the tunnels, and this is likely to prevent it from collapsing. Well, when I say likely, I mean most definitely. And as for the uses of the tunnel, there was a rumour that it was going to be reused in the 1950s in the event of a war with the Soviet Union, yet the Cold War never really affected us too much. That is a door I once had a picture of myself with when I was 9 years old, as I actually found this place because I was 9 years old, got told about it, and then have wanted to come back ever since. So that's the point in this video.
Yes, look at this on the side.
Oh, yeah.
That's very well.
I think, yeah. I remember that now.
Yeah, there's quite a few around there. You just have to keep scanning the wall because there's so much down there.
Yeah.
I know there's one bit of graffiti that I missed over last time. I think that's here somewhere. Jacob got a picture of it.
What one is it?
It's like this really long piece of writing.
Hmm.
You can tell there's been a fire in there.
Yeah. It's a bit of a shame.
This one, where it James might be able to tell me where it's actually. Yeah, no, SW. So many little things.
Yeah. I mean, didn't Dattel Terrace start out as a smuggler section, and then like it was turned into shelters. Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, these particular tunnels, the ones over at the Antelons, predate the First World War. Oh, that's the one I wanted to photo off.
Alright, yeah.
Yeah, Joe got off a picture of that, but... yeah, so I just want to get a few, play around, get some weird Jenga shots.
Hi, Nissa. On top of the room. It's literally dead end, but yes. Follow you. Just gonna follow wherever your torch goes.
Oh, sorry. Are you taking...
Sorry.
Me and Alyssa's urban explorers just committed a major offence by stepping in someone else's photo frame. It is important to keep away from them.
Huh? Yeah, we'll do it. What's down this way? Is it just going back to the beginning?
Yeah, that is. But that way is something else.
Hey.
I've been all the way down there.
Same.
You know the shell thing?
Shelving.
Yeah. The red container which is shell on it.
Yeah.
I'll pull that. Take a picture of that.
Right. Thank you. Ooh. This is logical. What is it? A church?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Church of Urbex.
Oh my god. Yes. Best hat ever.
Due to the harsh conditions that urban explorers are put under and stereotyped as, we have to find our own sense of fashion due to all the shops disliking us.
I need to steady your hand. I don't know what's going on. Don't put that on my head, please. I'm dead.
But then again, it may just be because we do stupid things like this and urban exploration is not involved at all.
I'm going to intrude your shop.
Here we have Urbex criminal Alyssa, caught in the action of standing in someone else's shot.
Oh, come on, security. Security check. Get your card out.
No.
Oh.
She also just refused to go through imaginary security check. Absolute scoundrel criminal. We must punish her.
Password is Esplanade, what did you say?
Esplanade.
Oh, I want to put that, right?
I'm gonna call my child Esplanade.
Why do I...
Shit! Forgot I said that. My girlfriend's pregnant too.
Wow, this goes absolutely nowhere. Nothing. Recording some valuable bits before it. Go. What, back that way? Should we wait for everyone else?
I've done everything. I'm entirely done.
Another 30 minutes.
In order to be a true urban explorer, we must analyse everything we see, including electric switches. If not, IKS get more views than us.
Oh, damn.
Anyway, that's the end of my journey into Geranian caves. Well, technically not, because there's a lot of off-camera stuff, but still, I hope to see you in the next episode.